Now I'm going to show you how to use the Numworks calculator for binomial distributions. And yes, it's worth using. So let's go ahead. We're going to go down to distributions. So first of all, you hit home, you get the home screen. Go down to distributions. It's pretty quick up. Now, actually, I need to go change my distribution, so I probably have to go hit back. So that back button takes you back to the main menu, and we are no longer in geometric, we are in binomial. All right, so you put in, see how it says n number of trials. The TI is not too bad. It has n equals number of trials, and then it has p, but I doubt it says probability of success. So let's go ahead and set this up. So it looks like we are using 8 trials for all our problems, and our probability for success is unchanged. It's 0.613. So let's do 8 trials, 0.613, and then hit next. All right, so the first question asked me is, what is the probability of 3 successes? So you've got to go to the drop down, and we're actually going to see how it has that discrete one. So that's when x is equal to exactly one thing. So you can see here, actually, I wonder if it probably doesn't let you, no, it doesn't. I was going to say, can you go hit the graph, but I don't think so. 3, EXE, boom, there you go. Probability of 3 successes, and it highlights it for you on the graph. Then the next question says, what is the probability that x is less than or equal to 3? So less than or equal to 3 would be the less than or equal sign right there. Let's see. So see how it says less than or equal to, so that's nice. Change that to a 3, and there's your answer, 0.1542. All right. Then we want the probability, so that's number 7. Number 8, so this is where it really shines. You cannot do this on the TI-84. So again, now I can do greater than or equal to. So when you're doing the TI-84, you only have binom CDF. So your only options are, let me go to the graph. You can only do the top one, that's binom CDF. I'm sorry, binom CDF, and this one is binom PDF. All right, so you actually have to remember them, keep them straight, and put in the numbers. Here, we want greater than or equal to at least 4, so we can do that. Not an option on the TI. At least 4. And it shows you, it highlights 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adds them all up. So if you're doing the TI-84, you really need to calculate the other one, then subtract it, and then you get your value. But if you're using the Numworks calculator, this is actually a direct option by just clicking making sure that you have this down here so that you pick to the right. So you can do that. You can also do some in between. So if I wanted in between, so that would be a much trickier problem. If I wanted between 2 and, whoops, that's not what I wanted. I hit tab. 2 and 4 shots. Boom, there you go. Super easy. Now you know why I really am crazy about this calculator.